Angle finders allow users to make accurate angled cuts. In this review, the This Old House Reviews team researched the 5 best angle finders on Amazon to help you find the one that's right for you. There are many products available to choose angle finders, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best angle finders from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Starrett ProSight Miter Saw Protractor. This angle finder includes 2 scales that provide homeowners with the exact miter saw settings for creating miter joints and making angled cuts. Additionally, the lightweight tool is built with durable engineered plastic and has a compact design that can fit in almost any toolbox. What customers are saying? Feedback for this analog angle finder was primarily positive, with customers highlighting durability, accuracy, and simplicity as noteworthy aspects of the product. Conversely, some negative feedback revolved around quality control issues, as some customers received units that didn't measure as accurately as non-faulty units. What we like about it? 7-inch measuring length. Made of plastic. Weight. Number 2. General Tools Digital Angle Finder. This easy-to-read angle finder displays measured angles on its clear LCD. The tool also comes with angle locks to secure your measurement, and it reads angles with an accuracy of 0.1 degrees. Additionally, the ruler includes a lithium-ion battery to operate. What customers are saying? Many users found this digital angle finder to be a necessary addition to any toolbox, especially for those who do any kind of woodworking. Positive reviews highlighted the ease of calibration, as well as precise angular measurements. However, some customers wished that the angle finder had a dedicated off button to preserve the battery life, noting that the display doesn't turn off until 5 minutes of inactivity. What we like about it? 5-inch measuring length. Made of stainless steel. Weighs 3.2 ounces. 1.13 x 5.38 x 10.88 inches. Number 3. Strongman Tools Heavy-Duty Angle Template Tool. This heavy-duty angle finder is built with rust-resistant aluminum. Along with its durable design, the tool is etched with laser-engraved measurements that help you make accurate readings. Additionally, the angle finder comes with instructions and a builder's pencil. What customers are saying? Positively, users thought that this heavy-duty angle finder was fairly easy to slide and lock into position, easy to read, and felt sturdy and durable, based on the Number 4. Johnson Level & Tool Magnetic Angle Locator. This magnetic angle finder has a V-groove edge that fits on most conduit and pipe structures. It features 4 easy-to-read quadrants with measurements between 0 and 90 degrees. Additionally, the angle finder has a small built-in ruler with both metric and imperial units. What customers are saying? Accuracy, readability, and reliability were noted in several positive customer reviews. Many users also valued the simplicity of this analog metal protractor and appreciated that there weren't any electrical components that could malfunction. Conversely, the angle locator didn't provide some users with an accurate reading and was off by 1 to 2 degrees. What we like about it? Reads 0 to 90 degrees in 4 quadrants, made of plastic and acrylic materials. Weighs less than 1 ounce, 1.88 x 6.19 x 10.5 inches. Number 5. Bosch Digital Angle Finder. This digital angle finder has an IP54 water and dust-resistant design and features a battery-powered display. Additionally, the tool's 2 legs adjust to find angle ranges between 0 and 270 degrees, and it comes with an integrated laser to show inclination measurements up to 100 feet. What customers are saying? Although satisfied users thought the price point of this digital angle finder was relatively high, they included that it was worth the cost. Reviewers stated that this angle finder is designed for carpentry professionals, as the angle readout was both rapid and accurate during multiple uses. While sturdy, some users found that the angle finder. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.